What if you could plant grain once and harvest food for years without replanting every season? Imagine a backyard filled with beautiful, wildflower-like plants that not only look amazing, but also provide free flour forever. Sounds impossible? It's not. Today, we're exploring 7 incredible perennial grains that can keep feeding your family year after year with less work and more rewards. Most people think grains like wheat and rice must be planted every single year. That means more tilling, more watering, more fertilizer, and more work. But nature has a smarter way. Perennial grains come back season after season, building healthier soil, saving time, and reducing gardening costs. Many of them grow beautifully like ornamental wildflowers, while quietly producing edible seeds you can turn into flour, porridge, or animal feed. In today's video, we'll uncover 7 amazing perennial grains that can transform your garden into a self-sustaining food source. Let's begin. 1. Kernza, intermediate wheatgrass. Kernza is one of the most famous perennial grains in the world, and for good reason. Unlike regular wheat that needs to be replanted every year, Kernza keeps coming back for multiple seasons. It grows like tall ornamental grass with beautiful seed heads that move gently in the wind, making it look more like a wildflower than a grain crop. Its deep root system can grow more than 10 feet underground, helping it survive drought and improve soil health naturally. These roots also prevent soil erosion and pull nutrients from deep below the surface. The grain itself can be harvested and ground into flour for bread, pancakes, muffins, and crackers. It has a slightly sweet and nutty flavor that many gardeners love. Kernza is perfect for anyone who wants beauty, sustainability, and long-term food production in one plant. 2. Perennial sorghum. Perennial sorghum is a strong and reliable grain plant, especially for hot and dry climates. It grows tall with colorful seed heads that look decorative enough for any landscape garden. Unlike annual grains that struggle in extreme heat, perennial sorghum thrives in warm weather and can survive with less water. This makes it an excellent choice for gardeners looking for low-maintenance food crops. The seeds are small but highly useful and can be ground into gluten-free flour for baking bread, flatbreads, and porridge. Some varieties can even be popped like popcorn or used as animal feed. Its strong roots help improve soil structure and reduce erosion over time. Because it regrows year after year, it saves both money and effort. For gardeners in sunny regions, perennial sorghum is both a practical and beautiful long-term investment. 3. Wild ricegrass. Wild ricegrass is a unique perennial grain that thrives in wet areas where many other crops fail. It grows naturally near ponds, streams, and moist lowlands, making it perfect for gardens with poor drainage or water-rich soil. Its tall green stems and elegant seed heads create a peaceful, natural look that resembles wild meadow grasses. Wild rice is highly nutritious and rich in protein, minerals, and fiber, making it one of the healthiest grains you can grow. Harvesting may require a little patience, but the reward is worth it because the plant returns season after season without replanting. The grains can be cooked like rice, added to soups, or ground into flour for special recipes. For gardeners with wet spaces, wild ricegrass turns difficult land into a valuable and productive food source. 4. Perennial rye. Perennial rye is often known as a cover crop, but certain varieties can also produce useful edible grain year after year. It grows quickly and forms a thick green cover that protects the soil from erosion and helps improve soil fertility naturally. Its strong growth makes it ideal for colder climates because it survives frost and winter conditions much better than many other grains. The grain can be harvested and turned into rye flour, which is commonly used for dark bread, traditional baking, and rustic recipes. It has a rich flavor and is highly valued in many kitchens. Beyond food, Perennial rye creates a soft, meadow-like appearance that adds beauty to any garden. It is a simple but powerful plant that offers both practical harvests and long-term soil improvement for sustainable gardeners. 5. Eastern gamagrass. Eastern gamagrass is a tall, native perennial grass that offers beauty, strength, and food production all in one plant. It is closely related to corn and produces large, nutritious seeds that can be used for flour and animal feed. This plant grows very deep roots, which help it survive drought and improve the surrounding soil over time. Because of its strong root system, it is excellent for preventing erosion and restoring poor land. It can grow several feet tall, creating a bold, natural look in the garden, while also supporting birds, pollinators, and wildlife. Farmers often use it for livestock, but home gardeners are now discovering its value for self-sufficient gardening. Eastern gamagrass is ideal for people who want a low-maintenance crop that works for both beauty and practical long-term food security in the landscape. 6. Maximilian sunflower. Maximilian sunflower is a stunning perennial plant that combines beauty and food production in the best possible way. It grows tall with bright golden flowers that bloom year after year, creating a wildflower effect that attracts bees, butterflies, and birds. While it is known mainly for its seeds rather than traditional grain, those seeds can be ground into meal or flour and used for food or animal feed. The plant is extremely hardy and survives in poor soil, dry weather, and difficult growing conditions. Once established, it requires very little maintenance and spreads naturally over time. Its deep roots also help improve soil health and prevent erosion. Gardeners love it because it transforms ordinary land into a bright, productive space. Maximilian sunflower is perfect for anyone wanting beauty, pollinator support, and useful harvests from one perennial plant. 7. Bamboo seed plants. Bamboo may not be the first plant people think of for grain, but it has surprising long-term food value. While bamboo is mostly famous for its edible shoots, some species also produce grain-like seeds during flowering cycles. These seeds have been used historically in parts of Asia as emergency food sources, often compared to rice or wheat. Bamboo grows quickly, creates strong natural privacy screens, and adds a peaceful tropical beauty to the landscape. It is extremely resilient and can survive for many years with little care once established. Although bamboo does not flower every year, its seed potential makes it an interesting addition to a self-sufficient garden. Even without frequent grain harvests, it offers edible shoots, shade, and natural beauty. Bamboo is a smart choice for gardeners who value both function and long-term sustainability. So those were 7 perennial grains that grow like wildflowers and can provide food for years with less work and more sustainability. Instead of planting from scratch every season, imagine building a garden that keeps giving back naturally, year after year. Perennial grains are not just smart gardening, they're a step toward real food freedom. Which one would you plant first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love sustainable gardening, self-sufficiency, and hidden food crops, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more amazing garden ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.